Okay guys, in today's video I got something exciting to show you here. It's a brand new thing that you can do to make up to $20 per sale online right from the comfort of your home, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. So we're going to go ahead and get jump started on that here right now. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. And as I told you earlier, I'm going to show you how you can make $20 per sale over and over again, all of this for 100% free daily, and make yourself a really good income for free right online from the comfort of your own home. Alrighty, so first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, well, reach down there right now while you're thinking about it and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel for you guys. Alrighty guys, well, with that out of the way, I'm excited to show this method to you here today. That I found. It's something brand new that I found on Fiverr here, one of my favorite sites here. And lately I've been doing a lot of Fiverr videos because it's such a great site. You can get a lot of things done on this site for cheap, and you can also do a lot of things on Fiverr to make a lot of money right from the comfort of your own home. Now, like I said earlier too, this can be done from anywhere in the world, so you guys should be able to do this if you can access Fiverr here. Now, what I did was I come over here to Fiverr, and I was looking at this category here, graphics and design. For those that don't know, on Fiverr, it's a lot of different categories that you can get involved in and do different things with on Fiverr. I mean, all kinds of voice and animation, music and audio, and so on and so forth. And it's free to sign up. Just click join Fiverr and sign up for your free account and get logged in. You can sign up with Google or Facebook and even your Apple ID, I believe, on this site as well, and then just get signed up. And they probably will send you a email confirmation, so you want to check that out as well. And then once you get logged in, I come over here to this where it says graphics and design right here. And if you look down here, right down here, as you see this right here, it's pattern design right here. And if you look, this is a brand new category that Fiverr has introduced on their site. And it's a wide open market because there's not many people doing this right now. So you can get in this particular category and make money with this. And I'm going to show you how to do this all for free here and starting today. Alright, so if we click on pattern design, it should bring us over here, and as you can see, there's people that are making all kinds of cool patterns, even for phone cases, and these patterns and people are making a lot of money with this. Like right here, this person's got a 4.9 star rating here with 366 jobs done, or at least the people who left reviews, right? Could be a lot more than that, actually. For $10, and you can see some are selling the same thing, pattern design, for $30, and so on, 20, 10, 45, 110. I mean, guys, you can just do really get in this and make money with this particular way to do it right here. Now, so how are we going to do this? I'm going to show you how you can do this for free and create these pattern designs to sell yourself and make some good money with this. The way you do that is you're going to come over to this site right here. It's called Flaticon. You see it right up here, and if you look up here in the address bar, it's Flaticon.com. You see right there. And it says access over 3 million vector icons and the largest database of free icons available in PNG, and so on and so forth. And you can see all the different things that they have here in categories. And they even have the best premium packs. You can get access to these, for some of these, for free if you sign up for their newsletter. And it's free to join this site. They do have a paid version, but you don't need that. You can do this for free. You can see all some of the different designs and stuff they have here, and so on and so forth. And what you want to do when you get here to this site, you just want to come up here to the upper right above me here, and you see where it says register. And when you click on that, you'll be able to register with either your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can create a local account right here on this particular site. And then once you get logged in, what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom here. If we come all the way down to the bottom here, you can see right here under where it says apps right here. And you come down to see right here where it says patterns generator, and click on that. And that brings us over here to their editor, or patterns editor here. And yes, you can even do phone cases as well here on this site as well. And you can see over here on the left that there's all kinds of different pattern designs and categories that they have here, and so on and so forth as you scroll down. Now I like this particular one right here because these are kind of colorful, so let's just use this category here, linear ancient Egypt elements. So if I click on that, it opens up and you see there's all kinds of other different little emoji or icons here that you can use to create patterns with, and you can mix and match categories as well too. So for example, to create a pattern design, you can just start clicking on any one of these, and you'll notice that it puts it over here to the right, and you can choose as many as you want to put in there, and so on and so forth, and it just doesn't matter. And you can, once you get them in there, you can grab them and drag them around. As you can see right here, look how easy this is to do this, guys. And then you can move them around and make it look different as you want, so on and so forth. And you can just make it look as nice as you want. It's just simple drag and drop. And if you click on any one of them, you'll notice if you click on one, it brings up this little menu right here above it, and you can change the color of each one of these. Like for example, we want to make it blue on one side. You notice when I clicked on that it made it blue on this side right here. And you can even do a color picker. Now for some reason I'm using the Brave browser and it doesn't show the color wheel right here, but nevertheless it's still there though. If you look around and look at the pyramids, as I drag this around, it changes the color on the right side of it as I drag it around, as you can see right there. And you can make it whatever color you want, and you can even make the color darker by sliding this up, or as light as you want it right there. And you flip them around. If you notice, if you click on it, it flips it from side to side, and do this with each one of those. You can also make it as transparent or as light as you want right here, and you can copy it if you want more, and then you just create and drag it and set it wherever you want it, and create even more of the same particular ones without clicking over here again. And then that's really easy to do. You saw how easy that was. And if you come over here to the column on the left, you can even play around with the background color as well. So if we click on this, again, for some reason my Brave browser is not showing the color wheel that would normally be here. If you're using Chrome browser, it will show up at the different color wheel, and you can just simply, even though it doesn't show it on Brave, it still is there. And if you'll notice, as I drag it around here, it changes the color of the background of these designs too. And you can also make it as dark as you want it by sliding the slider bar up here on the right, and as light as you want it as well. And you can also make it transparent. If you'll notice as well, it brings it in and makes it more and more transparent background as well too. And then once you get your design created the way you like it, and you like it the way it is, all you're going to do is just simply come down here and click on where it says down here at the bottom left, and it says click on download there. It brings out this menu, and you can choose either PNG format or JPEG. I would choose either one of those two, preferably PNG, because it can be a transparent background, plus it is a lot smaller than a JPEG file is anyway. But you don't need to use any of these two right here, just PNG or JPEG. The tile size here, you can just leave this alone right here, and then all you would do is you see your design here, and you just click on download right here, and it will open it up, and you can save it as the PNG image, as you see it's chosen up here, and save it to your computer at that point, and then you have it for free right there. So what you want to do then, how you're going to make money with this, of course, guys, is you're going to come back over here. You're going to click on Become a Seller up here. When you click on Become a Seller, it will load up this page right here. You would simply click on Become a Seller again at this button right here, and when you do that, it'll walk you through 5 or 6 pages of setting up your gig on Fiverr, just like some of these other folks right here. And I've clicked on one right here off of this particular page right here. It's this one right here. She's got, this person here, Irene's got 5.0 star rating, and she's done 315 that we know of at $45. So when you set up your gig, I would pattern it after somebody else's gig here. Don't copy it, just pattern. You can set up a basic, a standard, or a premium package like you see here as well, or you can just have one, a basic or standard, whatever, and just have one. And then just want to pattern yours and create some designs on Flaticon and bring them over here and upload them here so people can see the different designs and pattern designs that you can create. And then create your gig after some person that you choose, and tell a little bit about yourself, and then set up compare your packages here of what you'll offer and so on and so forth. And I would set your price at about $20 to start out with. You don't want to go too high, and you don't want to, price yourself too low either as well. $20 seems to be about the average price from what I showed you early on there. Definitely one thing you want to do is make sure that you come down, like I've told you guys before, when you create gigs on Fiverr, you want to use the tags that another person uses on theirs, and just copy their tags and put those tags on your gig, because this will rank your Fiverr gig up in Google search engine and help drive more traffic to your gig, and as well as on Fiverr too. And then once you get you get your gig all set up the way you like it, and you get a order in your queue, like this person right here has one order waiting in their queue right here. And when you get an order, you just simply take your customer's specifications that they give you on the design that they want and the pictures or however they want it. You take that and you simply bring it over here to Flaticon.com, and you simply create your design, or create their design the way they like it. And you can offer them also a couple of different revisions as well, like this person offers 2 revisions as well right here. And you don't even have to say 4 days delivery, because you can do this in a matter of minutes right here on Flaticon, and start out your package at about $20, and then have a standard and a premium, like this person 65, and so on and so forth, and then 85. You can set yours however you want, but I'd start it at about $20 on the basic. And then just come to Flaticon, create your design, download the pattern to your computer, and then simply take it back over to your gig on Fiverr and give that back to your customer, and you get paid $20, assuming that they chose your basic pattern, $20, and you can do that over and over and over again and make yourself a pretty good income and living right off of one gig on Fiverr. Now you can also do this on people per hour. You guys have seen me show this on previous videos. You can do this very same thing on peopleperhour.com as well. Alrighty guys, well guys, that's the video I had for you today. I wanted to show you this up and coming new market that Fiverr's added to their platform that you can get involved with starting today. Come over and take action on this and use a Flaticon, create your designs all for free and make some pretty good money. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell down there below. And if you want to get your own affiliate marketing business set up and learn how to do affiliate marketing, well, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com in the top of my description, and come over and come through my funnel and check out what's available for you there as well, and get your own affiliate marketing business set up online starting today. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.